Hello everyone, I'm Paul Dunning-Better, the editor of CDN Computer Dealer News at the Cisco Partner Summit in Montreal. With me here today is the Executive Vice President of Cisco Services, Edzard Overbeek. Welcome.
Thank you.
So big data is definitely a mega trend. What are some of the challenges you're seeing in your area for developing professional services in that area with the channel?
You know, I think the opportunity in analytics and big data is well understood by the channel partners. Many of them have done their investments into what we call analytics 1.0, right? The rows and columns in a database, you put it into intelligent interface on it, and you basically interpret the data, you start to advise your clients. Then it started to move into analytics 2.0, and the big databases with the unstructured data came in there, Hadoop clusters, etc. Many of your partners have already built their practices. What we're bringing to the party is analytics 3.0. And it's really a new way of thinking through the massive amount of data that comes from sensors, from robots, from drones, from everything that is industrialized that gets an IP address. And we call that the Internet of Things. Rather than to move all that data into complex data warehouses and spend a lot of money doing the same thing as in Analytics 1 and 2.0, what we've done is we've built a code base on top of our router technology and basically render that on the edge. And what that brings is you keep the data there, you have real-time streaming data, you do deep analytics over there, you use your rule engines, and you only signal back the pieces that deviate from what you originally want. So, in an example of an oil field, if a pump goes down, machine-to-machine language will say, shut that pump down completely and open up the other one. Production is still the same. In the future, we will have that for every major industry. That's the real big data analytics push. And as you can imagine, because we have a pretty interesting position in networking, we believe that we're the only ones that can do that today, and it is a big opportunity for our partners.
How does it align with your new push into software?
I think it is at the very core of what we do around software. So pieces of this is software in the form of data virtualization. Pieces of this is software in the form of connected analytics. So some of these analytics subscriptions help you to analyze the data coming from mobility, coming from data centers, coming from the network in the example I just used. So it's a combination of software and professional services, and that together is normally a pretty good business for partners.
All right, Edzard Overbeek, thank you very much for joining us. There you have it. I'm Paul Dunning-Better, the editor of CDN Computer Dealer News. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.